Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have discussed out HTTP verbs in APIs or HTTP methods, right? So whenever we send any request to the server from SOAP-py or Postman or any client side, so we have to add any verbs or methods like HTTP get, HTTP put, HTTP post, right, HTTP delete. So HTTP verb is mandatory for any request which you have sent to client to the server, right. So let's discuss one by one. First one is HTTP get. So HTTP get method is used to retrieve the data, right. Whenever we send the data to the server to get anything, right, in this scenario we have to use get method. Suppose we have uh, get the city from the server, right. Suppose we want to search any city from the city list, right, and send the particular city to the server. So in that scenario we have to use get verbs, right, get methods. So next one is HTTP post. HTTP post, basically the post method is used to make a new entry in the database. Suppose example, we if we want to add new city in our database, so we have to use post, right, post verbs to add new things in our database. Third one is put. So put, basically the put method is used to update all the properties of current resource in our database. Example, update all the properties or column of our existing cities. Suppose we have a multiple cities in our city table. So in that table we want to update all the properties of our cities. So in that case we have to use put method. Clear? So next one is patch method. So patch method, the patch is similar to put method, but is used to update partial properties of current resource in our database. Example, update update few properties or column of an existing city. Suppose we want to few properties in our city table. So in that scenario we have to use patch verbs or patch methods. Last one is uh, the delete method is used to delete, right. So delete method is used to delete the resources from the database. If you want to delete any data, suppose we have a country list or city list, we want to delete any particular country, right. So in that scenario we have to use delete verbs, delete methods. Example, delete the existing book or cities in from our database. So in that case we have to use delete, right. In delete we have basically hard coded deleted from our database. If you want to swap delete, so in that case we have to use post method to update any particular field. Suppose is deleted or is active, we have just marked as deleted. So in that case we have to use post method. Or if you want to delete hard coded from the table, in that scenario we have to use delete keyword, right. So today we have discussed first one is get, put, get, put, and delete, patch, and post. There are 5 words today we have discussed, right. So thank you for today. In next